Hi everybody. You see what's sitting in my room right here? It's a little box. I wonder what is in the box. And it must be pretty special because we have several diesel ducies and bugs that have come out. Yellow ducy, diesel ducy, and Volkswagen bug. That's right. I'm so excited. Oh, I think I know what's in the box. Hurry up, open it. I want to see. Well, as you can see, all three of those guys are so excited. I wonder why they're so excited. And I want to show you something here. Look at the postage on the box. US. And also, you look right there. There's my home number and my mom's name. So here it is, the moment you've all been waiting for. Open the box. Well, I guess I'm not the only one standing here. Whatever's in the box? Just open the box. All right. Let me just hold on. I think I can put my camera right here. Sorry about this, guys. 1 second. So, 1 second. I need to cut this open first. Okay. 1 second. Sorry about this, guys. I'm doing an unboxing video, Rowan, of my new Matchbox 24. So, where do I cut this? Okay, now let me find it. Oh, right there. Alright, here it is. I already cut it. So now we're gonna open the box. Alright, whatever it is, it wants to be opened. So here we go. And what is in this box? Let's see. There's something in here. So, you're going to hold the camera still and find out. I think I see a box inside. Let's open it and find out. Okay. Oh, we have another piece. Oh, whoops. Sorry. It's kind of a hard unboxing, so I'm going to have to be careful. Hold on. I think I might... Here, I need to put my camera down for a sec. Sorry about this, guys. I'll hold it up like this. Oh, I think I kind of see it. Hold on. Sorry about this. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh. There we go. And, okay. Here it is. Here it comes. Oh, oops, upside down. There we go. Ready? And here it is. Oh, whoops. Wow, it's a Bill Trivia of the box. Gosh, that was a bad ride. Oh. Wow. That was, wait, what happened to me? Oh, man, I'm finally here. That box did the crap out of me. And look what it did to my paint. Oh, you're saying that it's the wrong shoe? You're just saying that? Oh, I'm on camera. Hi, everybody. My name is Green Ducy. That's right. I came all the way from Etsy. And I'm so happy I get to join the Diesel Ducy family. So here I go. Oh, hi, Green Ducy. Oh, it's so good to see you. Hello, hello. Why, hi, everybody. I'm so glad I get to join the Diesel Ducy family. I think now I'm going to take a little rest. But I hope you guys like me. Yes, we do. You look awesome. You look like me, but green. Yes, I know. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And all I have to say now is, bye y'all. Hope you enjoyed it.